Hey, I'm Alex down here at Mike's Off-Road, and today we were working on a 1987 Jeep CJ7. We're going back to the roots of Mike's Off-Road a little bit and doing some motor work, so let's take a look under the hood. Under the hood here is a remanufactured 4.2 liter inline six, fresh with a new electronic throttle body fuel injection. We actually put this motor in about 2 years ago. And today I'm chasing down a couple noises, so I'm replacing the power steering pump as well as the water pump. Down here at Mike's Off-Road, it isn't always all accessories all the time. We do a lot of general maintenance, especially on older vehicles. Whatever you're working on, whether it's Dodge, Chevy, Ford, or Jeeps, bring it down, we can get you accessorized or just get it right back on the road.